Here's the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. We have to open up the deck lid like halfway through. Now we will need to get a small flathead screwdriver to pry these license plate lights out from the outside edges. So let's go ahead, put the screwdriver right over there and then pry it out from there, and the light is out of the body. You may still have to spend a few seconds trying to wiggle it out of there and get it out completely, so be patient. This may happen to you as well. And that black plastic clip over there is what holds the light in place, and that's what we were squeezing on when we were trying to pry it out with the screwdriver, and it goes right there. Now let's repeat the process for the other light. Again, from the outside edge, pry the light out, and out it comes. See, this one was easier to get out, but same process, same clip. Now grab the bulb holder and twist it left, and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push the new bulb back in the bulb holder, and when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in and sits in like this. See how it's sitting in flush now? That's what you want. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and that's it. It's locked in place. Just a little bit. See, it's locked, unlocked, and locked again. Now this side where the clip goes, the black plastic clip, it goes in second. The other side is what you get in first and press down on it, and then that black plastic clip side, you just sort of press it down and it'll just snap right in place and lock the light in place. Let's repeat the process over here. Same thing, this other side, not the black plastic clip. The other side goes in first, you keep one finger on it and press this black clip side, push it down, it snaps in place. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.